You're gonna shoot it. Okay. Okay. Oh, did that go in? Ruby, show me the demonstration again. Great arm workout. It's a good arm workout. Okay, how does it go again?
Don't go near that ladder. Please don't go near the floor, Jack.
Then you're going to try to
Ready?
Daddy,
What?
I need help.
Working at the car wash.
I just did
We're
it.
working at the car wash. Yeah, yeah.
Mom's having a great time.
Where's the clear bra? Yeah, that's not, so you know, that's not what Mom wears. It's what Dad puts on the car. And you can't even see it. Good job. Details by Dennis. Way to go.
Another shot. Come on.
Are we distracting you? At the detail shop?
Here, if I wasn't under-
At the car wash?
I'm on a time crunch.
Oh, time crunch. All right, we should go, guys. You guys want to go to the thrift shop?
Watch this shot. Mom, watch this shot. Mom, watch this shot. No, aim for the hoop.
Okay.
Here we go.
All right, we're doing one more shot, then we're leaving. Ruby, put it back.
This is how you do it. Close the valve.
Ooh, what a workout. I love it. Working out at the car wash, yeah. All right. Everyone say goodbye to the car wash. Bye, Details by Dennis. Glad we got to visit. Okay, say bye, Dad. Have a great day at work. All right. Way to go, Rubes.
You gotta put that down. Great, Jack. Great. Great.
Wow.
You're having a great time.
Wow, look at it. It's losing its
I appreciate you getting off on this.